Hi, it's Mary at the Paper Turtle. I am here today doing something just a little bit different. I have done this before, but it's been a while. I was contacted by Your Creative Studio and they asked if they could send me one of their kits to do an unboxing. And of course I said yes because I genuinely love their stuff. So I'm here to do this unboxing and yeah, just show you the kind of stuff that they have. And if you like it, I encourage you to go check out their website. And I'll put a link to that in the description box below. And see what they have. Sorry, that seems awkward because I'm trying to cover up my address on the front. I should have just blacked it out or something, but yeah, so check out they do monthly kits, and I think you can buy individual stuff from them too. It used to be just the kits, but I think now you can buy other stuff. But check it out. They've got some really fun stuff. All right, here we go. You've probably seen these unboxings from people before, and like I said, I did one a while ago. I think they're just so much fun. All right, so we have a little thank you card with a shell on it. I like that. Every little thing in these boxes you can use. Everything. Including the tissue paper. So I'm very careful with it so that I can use it. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is... what is it? I see something that says Theodore Roosevelt on it. My husband loves Theodore Roosevelt. I think they're die cuts. Yeah, they're like little, just little, like ephemera pieces and stuff. So, I think I might be able to use some of these for... oh, I see. It's like a cover for Scribner's. That was a magazine, right? I think so. And these are pretty. Is she like a mermaid? Aw. And then these smaller ones. These are great for collaging, adding to like journal cards and stuff. I'm going to make something with these at some point. If I ever do a crafting video. Little labels. Numbers, those are cool. These are just little, I don't know if you can see them. They got little dots on them. Those are cute. Very cool. Most of their stuff kind of, it has like a vintage vibe to it. But it's not just vintage stuff. So if you check things out, you know, kind of explore their website and stuff, you'll find other things that aren't just vintagey. Oh, faux stamps. Those look like fun. Are they stickers? They might be stickers. I think they are. Those are cool. What's this one? I saw color. It looks like, I don't know, it's got Chinese writing on it. That looks like a bird. Yeah, that looks like some kind of water bird, maybe? I don't know. Is my lighting bad? Not much I can do about it. I have my light on. Here, let me put it up one more notch. And I'm right by the window, but I think it's the time of day when it's kind of shady out there. Okay, what's this? Dot square. Oh, is that a stamp? No, it's not a stamp. Little pieces of paper? Yeah. Oh, cool. So they're little, just little note papers. Those would be fun to tuck inside a little pocket or something. Cute little journaling space. Some washi tape. It looks like it's leaves and stuff. Let's see. Oh, it's shells, starfish, seahorses, that type of stuff. You can see that. That's kind of cool. Well, she did say that this was the vintage shell kit. So that's vintage Shelly. Vintage Shelly. Looks like a recipe thing. Loft Book Collection Series Baking Magazine. Oh yeah, they're vintage like recipes and stuff. Now, this is kind of cool for a recipe book I'm working on. I know I have said so many times in my videos that I don't plan on doing a recipe book. I'm doing one. I'll show that to you at some point. So that's good. Those can go in there. I'm not sure what this has to do with shells, but that's okay. I will take random stuff. I don't mind it. And here's some, I think they're die cuts. Every once in a while I do something beachy or something that I am looking for shells and beachy stuff for. So this is good to have these on hand. Yeah, they're die cuts. So we have seahorses, and there's a bunch of little shells, some coral, lots of shells, a few words, beach and happy time. Those are cute. I can see me using these. A cling stamp. Some of these look like they've been opened. Alright, we have a shell and a starfish, or a seahorse. Those are cute. I should do one of those little golden book journals. I think it's A Day at the Beach, I think is the name of the book. These would look really good with that little golden book. And then we have some paper ephemera. I think these are like, yeah, these are like pieces of paper that have different images on them. They coordinate with these. These would be great if you're doing like a folio or something and you want to cover it these would be a good like theme. Sometimes I know we look at these things and we wonder, well, how do you use that? How are you going to use that? This is be a great base for different things. Journaling cards, tags, like I said, to cover like a folio or something like that. This is like the same size as the box. I can't get it out. Okay. Those are pretty. Is this washi? Floral masking sticker set. So these are strips. These are a little wider. Wait, are they? Yeah, there's 2 of each one, so they're like the same size. And these look like labels. Like it looks like the sticker is like this size right here. And this one, let me just do it. Yeah, it's a whole strip. And these are strips. Kind of like washi tape. Those are cool. So there's some fall leaves, some flowers and roses, and these are strawberries. So those are kind of cool. And then more flowers. So those are strawberries. I think they put things from different collections in here, because this is not vintage shell. Neither was this. But that's okay. I like the variety. This is like tissue paper. Yeah. There are a bunch of sheets of tissue paper. I don't want to take it all out because I won't fit it back in. We like tissue paper. You can scrunch it. Sticker notes. It's a stamp. A shell and a lighthouse. Sorry. Those are cool. Very nice for a beachy journal. And some shell stickers. And that's it. And here's the tissue paper that's in the box. I like that. So there you have it. A nice little My Creative Studio box of goodies. Thank you very much to My Creative Studio for sending those. I will have fun playing with them. So, if you're interested in some of their products, go ahead on over to their website. Link is in the description box, and see what you can find. There's they have a wide variety of different subjects. You can buy a whole kit, or you can buy individual items, and yeah, it's a great. They're great products. And I enjoy them, and I will be working with them in the near future. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.